Oasis Healthcare. The Desert Oasis Healthcare mobile health clinic celebrates Drag Now, Drag Forever, bringing health services to the entire Coachella Valley and Morongo Basin. Joining also are Dr. Jardula and Dr. Corsano, two of our primary care physicians. Both Dr. Jardula and Dr. Corsano provide primary health care to the LGBTQ plus community here in Palm Springs. Hello, the Desert Oasis Healthcare.